Welcome. If you've ever wanted to quickly find your Instagram posts from a specific date on your PC, the latest update makes it much easier, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your computer. Once you're inside your account, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see the three horizontal lines. Click on those to open the menu. From there, select your activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of everything you've done on your account, including your content and interactions. Now, under your activity, find and click on Photos and Videos. This is where all your shared content is organized. Next, click on Posts to specifically view everything you've uploaded to your feed. Here's where the new update really helps. At the top of your post list, you'll see an option labeled Sort and Filter. Click on that. A panel will appear, giving you the ability to customize how your posts are displayed. To find posts by date, choose the time range you want. You can select predefined options or manually set a start and end date depending on what you're looking for. This is especially useful if you're trying to locate older content or track what you posted during a specific period. Once you've selected your preferred date range, click Apply. Instagram will instantly update your posts list to match the filter you chose, making it much easier to find exactly what you need without endless scrolling. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can quickly organize and locate your Instagram posts by date right from your PC.